I might have to Chinese fire drill with Graham eventually. This is why we have to space it out into 2 different drives. I don't think there's any way I could drive like the 4.5, 5 hours to get there in one trip. Anyways, that's it. Alright, super dark, but we made it. Car did good. It rubbed a ton in the back, so we'll have to make an adjustment before the rest of the drive tomorrow. But we made it, and I'll pick up the camera tomorrow.
Okay, now
hello.
That's a nice little thingy right there.
What's up, Gannon?
What's going on over here?
Yeah.
Dude, how did I get water sponsored?
Yo, Richard, these reds are like pretty much the same color.
They're the exact same color. This is this is the paint code to this car.
Right. Hell yeah, dude. I like the chrome johns, honestly. I think they look nice.
I love the chrome.
I think that 18s on this car kind of suit it. Like, it doesn't even have to be slammed to make it look slammed, if that makes sense.
I wish it was like slam.
That shit looks dope. I'm not even gonna lie.
These are my dreams.
E36, we just met up with Mason over there, and then we got the 240, the E46. I don't know where Richard's car is. We have Tyler Celsior, right-hand drive, insane. This car, I'm not gonna talk about it until we get there. Everyone, no problems yet. Holy shit! Those are fucking gangsters. We got Jared's car, Rickard,
Z3,
Mason. Look at that. Reppin'. This is so cool. I mean, we are in one of the most beautiful places in California. I've never ever driven my car this far, so it's super cool to get it to this point. It's just like I don't even know. It's an awesome experience though. We're not even to the Airbnb yet or South Lake Tahoe. So sick.
Hey buddy.
Pretty cool or what?
Yeah dude. I mean, I have 1, 2, 3, there's 5 of the same car here.
Pretty neat. Oh yeah, I forgot. Z3 is the same car.
Same car.
So Got Mo's 95 Daytona as well. Shooting the opener for the after movie. It is a tad cold outside. We just got done with some rollers that are for the Lake 2O after movie, which will be pretty cool. They just posted a pop-up meet, so hopefully this will fill up in a few minutes. Vlad, we need a short car check.
Hell yeah.
30 sec. Well, actually, make it as long as you want. Let's get the ultimate rundown on the only Astoro Blue that's here, to our knowledge at this point.
To our knowledge, yeah. I guess I gotta start with my wheels. Done by yours truly, custom center cap, fully rebuilt, fully polished. Each wheel took me like 40 hours. Paint job is still pretty fresh. Custom clears.
You did these or someone did these?
I made those.
You made these?
I did those myself. Illegitimate Dynan car. Dynan intake, exhaust, front and rear sway bar, front rear strut bar, throttle body, supercharger one day, soon. Not yet, but soon. Got to get my tune right and talk to the right people. I bought this car like completely blown up.
How long have you had it?
Since 2018.
2018. Wow, quite a while.
Still wood trim. Probably going to be swapped for carbon at some point, but there's a certain friend who I feel like would enjoy that more than me, so that might be something.
Yeah,
that's got to go.
I know that
somewhere
guy.
else. Yeah, that guy's got a pretty cool white coupe. Not gonna lie. Took a while to get it here, but it's here.
Nice. Nice to finally see your car after
Likewise,
years.
brother.
Here lays the M3 in the garage. I took the couch, horrible sleeping situation, but I got the garage spot. Hello, Jared.
Hi. E36 still best car.
Hey, Pat. Yeah, let's defend this argument. Actually, I had the same problem right before we left, so it doesn't matter.
Nice. Let's do it. This car
Good.
said fuck that car.
It's Tuesday, innit?
Jared car check.
Dirty as hell.
It's a Manuel though.
Lake 2O 2022 and 2023.
Bro's cultured. So just coincidentally, Jared's car also has a bad thermostat, so the boys are working on that. I haven't had any serious problems. The only thing I did yesterday, which was entirely self-inflicted, I fucking totaled the diffuser and ripped the OEM diffuser, like the fancy wide, dragged or smacked something as I was pulling out of the parking lot, and it dragged the OEM diffuser off the bumper mount. But we double side taped it and it's held up remarkably well. The roads here are shit. That's really the only problem we're having.
Yeah, do you want one?
Thermostat replacement going down.
Yes, for once. For once.
What do you mean for once?
It's not my car.
Oh,
Remember to always do your maintenance, buddy.
Jared.
Or else you be like
Jared.
We do have to acknowledge the drip that Richard is currently fitted in.
Dude, these aren't even the shoes for the fit.
Then what are you doing?
This is even my final.
I didn't want to get my brand new dunks all dirty.
Oh, fair.
Word.
Yeah, his other shit.
Richard's like, oh, we're fixing Jared's car, let me change my shoes.
Let me change my shoes to another set of almost brand new
Richard,
shoes.
pull up your pants real quick. I'm gonna do a fucking reel for us.
Yo, what?
Dead ass serious.
More.
Dude is washing his
You want
hands.
me to do it again?
Yes, they're not clean yet.
Okay.
Oh my god.
It's literally the last of it too.
My boy could have skin cancer by age 22.
Dude's gonna look like a crocodile in 2 hours.
Dude, did you not hear the back crack I got? I'm already getting it. I'm already getting old, brother. Brother!
Hey, right here. Goddamn brother.
I'm gonna put the SDS sheet for brake cleaner on the screen. Dude, this is absolutely so much bigger than yesterday. If you look at this, there is a massive line that goes all the way up that road, all the way down to this main road down here. And thankfully, lucked out with some parking. Dude, this thing's sweet, actually. This thing is tight. Diesel, man. We can see Seb's car made it. Huge thanks to Sebastian, because my car would not have been done without his help. What have I done? Just linked up with Andrew. We got Drew's car.
Dude, burnout.
Mason.
It's all-wheel drive.
Bet you can't wheelie that thing.
Hey, look, dude, you're missing out.
I'm about to tongue punch that box, dude.
What? All right, so I'm coincidentally just happened to be walking back to my car. Not trying to look at this.
You had music playing like while the cops.
Look at that. Cops really doing their job, actually. All right, Pat, Jared, and Mason went off to wash cars, I think, for the night meet. The one during the day was absolutely hectic. We are checking out tomorrow, so I'm trying to get the car ready to take the long journey back home. I suspect that there is a leak in the cooling system somewhere. Looks like it's coming from the expansion tank, so just tore the entire cooling system apart. Let's hope tomorrow will be okay, because it looks like it'll be raining tomorrow. The last thing I want to deal with is this car tomorrow. All right, we are in Mason's E36 and it's raining. Not super stoked about that, but we all just hopped in the cars and got, holy shit. Anyways,
It's gonna get real foggy before it gets better.
We're going to the PM meet that was just posted. Like, I saw it within 5 seconds, and there's so many people here that you have to get there as fast as possible. So yeah, wish us luck.
What the fuck was that noise? What the fuck?
Dude, we are
Static, bro. We out here, dog.
Go over there.
status update.
Mason
Wet.
ran over there.
Good. Yo, this Miata is so fucking cool.
Are we stuck?
Help him out. Pick it up.
Richard Valley.